animated captions to your videos, automatically remove silences in seconds, instantly add AI-powered B-rolls to your videos. You can do all of this and more using this beautiful plugin called AutoCut. It is available for Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. You can get 14 days free trial with full access to all the features it offers, no credit card required. Once you download and complete the installation, go to Windows, Extensions, AutoCut. Once it opens, you can see all the features right here. Let me show you how some of the features work and how you can save hours of time using this plugin. Let's try AutoCaption first. We choose the second option, AutoCaptions. We can choose entire clip or you can choose in and out point. You can easily choose entire point, but I will just show you how you can choose in and out point. You go in by pressing I on your keyboard and you can press O on your keyboard to get out point. Now we got in and out point. Just click here and it will automatically recognize your in and out point. You can choose which clip you want to have. I only have one clip, so I'll just leave everything default. Validate sections. You can choose SRT file or you can just open caption editor, style and transcription. Now it will transcribe your audio, it will add your captions, all the stuff, and you will have to just choose the style. You can choose a preset. If you don't like any of this, go to community presets and here you can see a bunch of options. In single page you have 12 presets, so there's a lot of presets you can choose from. I'll cancel and just choose from here. Perfect. You can edit the style from here. There's a lot of options. You can choose the font, you can change the color, you can also make the font bigger. For this video, I'll just leave this empty and apply style. You also want to click here, position and size, and here you can change font size. Just like that. How many lines you want. I'll choose one, maximum weight. You can choose from there. You can also add a guide like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. I'll just leave like this. Apply style. Edit transcript if you want to change anything. For example, from here I want to change it to eating and the word is now changed. Hit save. Add captions. That's it. If we play the video,
adding captions used to eat up hours. Now it takes minutes. Animated styles.
Perfect. Now let's see how we can automatically delete silences using AutoCut. Let's click on AutoCut silences. And this time we will select in and out point. To do that, go to your timeline, choose the in point and press I. Then choose the out point and press O. Once you are done, click to in and out points. Click to validate sections. And here we can see a lot of options. On the right side we have volumes, and on the top you can see the time. You can see the orange, those are the silences and those will be removed. You can zoom in or out. You can choose the noise threshold. If I lower that, you can see more silences, those will be removed. You can choose calculate automatically, so it will be calculated by AI. And then you can choose silence management, what you want to do with the silence. If you want to remove them, just select remove silences. If you want to keep silences, select keep silences. Then you have mute silences, where it will be just muting the silences but it will keep the clip there. And the last option is remove silences but keep spaces. What it will do is it will remove the silences, but in between those clips there will be spaces. It will keep the space. Now let's click here and in seconds it's done. You can see it removed the silences but in between those clips there's a space. It did not remove the space because we have choose that. If you want to remove those gaps, you can choose all the clips you have, go to sequence, close gap. Now let's see how we can automatically add AI powered B-rolls to our clips using AutoCut B-rolls. By the way, story blocks and pixels are now fully integrated into AutoCut B-rolls. Go to AutoCut B-rolls, in and out points, validate sections. Here you can choose video footage or AI images. You can have both, or you can have any of that. B-roll density, by default it will be here, but you can choose less or more. We'll choose more and next. And within few seconds we have our B-rolls ready. You can see we have 2, but you can add more. You can go inside those B-rolls and choose any of those. You can also search the B-roll and then just select from there. It is very easy and you don't have to open your browser so many tabs and spend hours finding right B-rolls for your videos. If you want to choose this one, you can choose that and close. From here you can do the same. Just go inside and then choose whatever you like. If you want images instead of video, you can go here and you can generate the image. Once you're happy with that, add B-rolls. And you can see B-rolls are now added. How cool is that? You upload the video.
I know, it really takes the cake.
So there's many more features in AutoCut, and those features can save you a lot of time and help you edit videos faster. So this was for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.